Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about a truly transformative book, The Power of Thoughts by Henry Thomas Hamlin. This book reveals a profound truth. Our thoughts have the power to shape our lives, circumstances, and even our future. Hamlin beautifully explains how we can harness this power to bring positivity, success, and peace into our lives. Imagine your mind as a garden. What happens if you plant good seeds and nurture them? Beautiful flowers and fruits grow. But what if you neglect it and let weeds take over? The same principle applies to our thoughts. Positive thoughts lead to growth and success, while negative thoughts hinder progress. Let's dive into the key lessons from this book, which I believe will inspire you to take the charge of your mind and consequently your life. Key points from the book The Power of Thoughts by Henry Thomas Hamlin. Thought as a creative force. Hamlin emphasizes that thought is a spiritual power, the most significant tool humans possess. Just as an artist uses a brush to create a masterpiece, we use our thoughts to shape our lives. For example, think of a person preparing for a big exam. If they constantly think, I can't do this, they are likely to fail because they have already convinced themselves of defeat. But if they think, I am capable and prepared, their confidence and focus increase, leading to better results. Lesson of key point 1. Your life is a reflection of your dominant thoughts. To improve your circumstances, first improve your thinking. Key point 2. The role of the subconscious mind. The book explains the difference between the conscious and subconscious mind. The conscious mind is where we actively think and reason, while the subconscious acts on the thoughts and beliefs we feed it. For example, imagine repeatedly telling yourself, I'm not good at English. Over time, your subconscious believes it and creates mental blocks, making learning harder. On the other hand, affirming, I'm improving my English every day, programs the subconscious to look for ways to succeed. Lesson of key point 2. Be mindful of the suggestions you give to your subconscious. It acts on them, whether positive or negative. Key point 3. The power of positive suggestion. Hamlin emphasizes that we must train our thoughts to focus on positive outcomes. He compares it to a policeman directing traffic. Our mind needs discipline to avoid chaos. For example, when faced with a challenge, instead of thinking, this is impossible, try suggesting, I'll find a way to solve this. Such positive self talk boosts problem solving abilities and resilience. Lesson of key point 3. Replace every negative thought with a positive one and watch how your mindset and circumstances change. Key point 4. Guarding against negative influences. Negative thoughts and influences from the outside world can seep into our minds if we are not careful. Hamlin advises that we actively shield ourselves from negativity. For example, if someone constantly criticizes your English skills, it's easy to internalize that negativity. Instead, remind yourself of your progress and stay focused on your goal. Lesson of key point 4. Surround yourself with uplifting people and messages that encourage growth and positivity. Key point 5. Thought and circumstances. Hamlin explains that our current circumstances are often the result of past thoughts. By changing our thinking today, we can shape a better tomorrow. For example, if you have been thinking, I'll never succeed in public speaking, you may avoid opportunities and stay stuck. But by thinking, I can learn and improve, you start seeking chances to practice and grow. Lesson of Key Point 5. Your thoughts today are the seeds of your future. Plant wisely. All in all, in the final words, as we wrap up, remember this. Your thoughts are incredibly powerful. They are the architects of your destiny. By choosing positivity, you can unlock endless possibilities and achieve greatness. Hamlin's The Power of Thoughts is not just a book, it's a guide to a better life. It encourages us to take responsibility for our minds, guard against negativity, and use the immense power of thought to create a life filled with joy, success, and purpose. So, let's start today. Think positive, act with intention, and watch your world transform. Thank you.